Hi, my name is William Maroon. I'm on Team QE Cumber, and we are constructing a construction zone flagging robot swarm. We have 4 different robots, and I have been assigned the FlaggerBot. I'll go into my code and then the layout of my circuitry, and then I'll show it working. So first off, we have the pin setting for the right side wheels. It's a 4-wheeled bot, so those left side and right side. Stop slow flag servo. So it's this guy right here. It will rotate the flag to either show a slow or stop. Ultrasonic sensor right here that will disable the bot from moving forward if there's something in front of it. Flashing safety light right here would be on top of the bot at all times flashing. And then we go into the setup. We got the right wheel pins, the left wheel pins for the servo, the flashing lights, the ultrasonic specs, and then we connect the serial monitor and then set up the menu, which the user will use to move the bot and make it do its thing. So the main chunk of the code is in the loop. We start out by reading a serial, trimming it, make sure there's no spaces, and then we do ignore case, like write uppercase, lowercase, whatever, it doesn't matter. Start out with forward, and then it will check the distance using the servo to make sure nothing is within 10 feet. If there's something within 10 feet, it will halt, get object from the flagger, and then we'll return to the top of the loop so that the person can either move the thing out of the way or turn the robot, go backwards, whatnot. After that, it has the commands for back, which will activate the reverse method, right, right, left, left, slow, slow, stop, stop, and halt, halt. For the flashing LED code, it was kind of tricky because it's a loop, so you have to have a way of keeping track of how much time has gone by for the flash. That's all right here. If it's given the slow, this is the slow command, so it's just the servo. It writes it to 180, so it turns it around. If you want it to stop, puts it back to the initial at 0. Forward method has the left side and the right side pins, the high and the low. Reverse is just the exact opposite. Left turns the left wheels forward, the right wheels backwards. The right is the opposite of that. Halt method stops the robot, and then this is just a helper to get the distance in front of the servo. From there, we can start the simulation, and you will see the menu comes up. So this is the powering the bot. The right side servo is the left side. The flashing light, as you can see, is already flashing. The servo and the sensor. So the commands coming from the control bot would be, I guess, put in here, but we don't have that. So for now, it's just type in the commands. So you can do like forward, hit enter, and you'll see all of them go forward on their RPM, reverse, all of them will go backwards, and then left, right. You can do slow, the servo will rotate, stop, servo will rotate, and then light's still flashing through all of that. You can see the sensor, it's out at 124 inches, so longer than 10 feet, obviously. So forward, they go. But if it detects something closer and you try to tell it to go forward, we get error object in front, and then it will break and go back to the top of the loop. So if you try it again, we'll say it again. If you go out past the 10 feet mark, you move the thing out of the way, or the person walked away, whatever, hit it, and now it'll go forward again. And that is all of my stuff. So thank you for watching.